Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it is really late right now. It's just past 11 and I'm getting ready to clean our main living area. So we are gonna do an after dark clean with me today. We had a really busy night. We just had to get a ton of Luke's schoolwork done. He had like several projects that we kind of put off throughout the week because we also had a busy week. And so because of that, I just did not get any cleaning done this evening at all. We also are having Kyle's mom come into town from Montana tomorrow night, like late tomorrow night. And we also have a busy day tomorrow, so I know that I'm not gonna have a chance to clean the entire house tomorrow. So I really wanted to just focus on getting the main living area cleaned up, and that way I can just go through the bedrooms, go through the bathrooms and stuff tomorrow and get it kind of nice for her to come stay with us. Everyone is sleeping right now. Kyle is sleeping because he has to get up super early for work tomorrow. And then the boys are sleeping, of course, because it's 11 at night and Luke has school tomorrow and they're really little, so they are sleeping already, but I really just need to get this done tonight. I don't really mind being up late cleaning. This is like my favorite time to clean. Not really at 11, but once everyone's gone to sleep, it's really just nice and peaceful for me to just clean and get things done. The cats are meowing. But I know you guys love these after dark clean with me, so I figured I would go ahead and take you guys along with me and give you guys the cleaning motivation that you guys love to get. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get on into this. Alright, we have a lot to get done, so I'm gonna put my hair up. We're gonna get to work. You better turn up. So the first thing that I started with in my kitchen is just clearing everything off the counters. This is what I do every time I clean my kitchen. I just feel like getting everything off the counters is the first thing to do, and then I start working on the dishes. Catch me, baby. I did decide to take a little detour and go ahead and clear out our mail area. We just have this little mail caddy or mailbox, whatever you want to call it. But anytime we get mail in, we just go ahead and put it in there. And then Kyle and I will just go through it once a week or so. But sometimes it ends up getting a little bit too backed up. And so today I just needed to go through it and see what things could be tossed away and what things we still needed to go through together. And it just looked so much better once I got that taken care of. I get so many questions about our little to-do and done list. This is a chore chart that I made for the boys several years ago, and as I said, I do get a ton of questions about it. So if you guys want me to share a DIY on this, on how to make it, let me know in the comments below because I would love to share that with you guys if there's enough interest for it. Moving on to the table, I had a lot of things in here. Some things were from Luke's projects, other things I'm not sure where they came from, but they were just sitting on the table. Leave a comment letting me know, where is your catch-all in your house? Is it your dresser? Is it your table? Is it a desk? I feel like our table used to not be the catch-all, but it's starting to become that way as the boys get older and older. So this is something that I'm looking forward to decluttering so that we don't really have such a problem with these catch-all areas. So I had a sink full of dishes tonight to do. I usually don't let it get this bad. I usually try and load our dishwasher as the day goes on, but for some reason I just could not get around to it today, and I just had all of the dishes from the day waiting for me. But I really did not want to leave them overnight and have to deal with them in the morning. So I do love cleaning all of our dishes at night and just doing my quick nighttime cleaning routine. And even if I don't have a chance to do my entire routine, I really do love to focus on the kitchen at night. I feel like once your kitchen is clean at night, it just starts the next morning so much better off when you wake up to a clean kitchen and you don't have that already hanging over your head in the morning. So to me, the kitchen is definitely the most important thing to get clean at night, but let me know what area of your house is the most important to be clean for you. Is it your kitchen? Is it your living room? Is it a bedroom? I'm just curious if you guys have the same views on this as I do and think that the kitchen is the most important for that, or if you guys have a different area of the house that makes a bigger difference to you.
something strange between us. Oh, let me show you what you need to know. If you see me how I see you, it will show. I am waiting for a moment to tell you everything, but I didn't have the courage. I didn't do a thing. There was nobody around, nobody, just me.
Since I had all of those dishes sitting in the sink, I wanted to give it a good scrub, so I'm just using my Mrs. Meyer's basil dish soap to give that a really nice clean. And there's something so satisfying about having a clean sink. I know I've said it 1,000 times, but it just feels so good to me.
Notice we're not slowing down. Something is calling from on the ground. Hey, I didn't notice. Hey, I didn't notice.
Once my sink was clean, I like to finish it off with adding a few drops of essential oils. You can add whatever scent you want. A few of my favorite ones are grapefruit and peppermint. I just ordered some more basil, so that is going to be what I'm going to be using next. But if you guys have not tried this little tip, definitely try it out. It makes your sink smell so good. The next thing I needed to do is just refill my dish station. So I'm just taking my Bubble Up sponge dish and my Bubble Up dish brush and getting that filled up with soap and water so it's ready to go. And I get these from Grove Collaborative along with my stoneware tray that you see underneath them. And I do have a link down below where you can get this Bubble Up sponge dish for free along with a few other cleaning goodies. So definitely check out that link below and get yourself some free products. And I did just want to mention, I know that a lot of people have been kind of apprehensive about trying Grove out because they do use the auto ship, but I actually shared in my recent Grove Collaborative haul. I will link that up above for you guys right here, but they actually have an option now where you can completely turn off auto ship and just order as you want. So I explained how to do that in that video. So as I said, I will have that linked up above and down in the description box. So definitely check that out if you have been interested in ordering from Grove, but you don't want the auto ship. I completely understand not wanting that auto ship on, so I love that they are offering this feature now. To clean off my counters, I am just using the Basil Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray, and I've gotten some questions on if you're able to use the spray on your countertops. And I have been okay with it, but we do seal our granite countertops about twice a year. So because we do seal our countertops, we haven't had any problems with it, and we have been using all-purpose sprays on our countertops for years.
If you're sleeping in now, picturing you two in that bed, it's stuck in my head. Did it break you like it broke me? Had it then we give it all up, we give it up in the end. I wanna know, is it true love? And I know we were lost, and I know that we fell hard.
Once I got all of our counters wiped down, I just went ahead and rinsed my cloth off, and then I pulled out my e-cloth because I'm going to start cleaning off my stove and my other big appliances. If you've watched my videos before, you know how much I love e-cloths. They work so well, and I always get questions on which ones I use. So to clean my appliances off, I just use the all-purpose e-cloth, and that just really cleans and sanitizes with just water, which is really amazing. And then to wipe it off and shine it, I just use the glass and polishing cloth, and that always gets my stainless steel so shiny. So if you guys have not checked out eCloth, I will leave their link down below. Check them out. You can get them on their website. You can also find them on Amazon, and then also even Grove sells them as well, so you can find them all over. If you don't want to order online, I believe that Ace Hardware even sells them. I'm not sure if they do anymore, but I know a long time ago I did see them there. So really you can find them all over the place now, but definitely pick yourself up some. You guys will not regret it.
Just let me know. Just let me know. I still think about you. Do you still think about me too? I still think about you. Do you still think about me too?
Okay, so I wanted to pause for a second and update you guys. If you watched my whole house clean with me last week, I shared that I needed some help with the hard water issues that we were having on here. It looked really bad, and a lot of you said to go ahead and soak like a paper towel or some kind of towel in white vinegar and just let it sit overnight or for like a couple of hours. So I did that the other night. I let it sit for overnight. I just soaked it in vinegar and let it sit. And the next morning I wiped it all off and it was like gone. So if you guys have any hard water shoes, definitely try just soaking it for a really long time with white vinegar. I had tried wiping it off with vinegar before, but it didn't work. So definitely just letting it sit for a while makes a big difference. So thank you guys to all of you who gave me any recommendations. If I have any other issues and that one doesn't work, I will definitely be trying the other ones, but I just wanted to update you guys because I've been getting a lot of questions about that. The last thing I needed to do in my kitchen was just to wipe down my cabinets. I don't do this every single day, but I do find that I have to do it more often because we do have white cabinets in this house. And although the upper cabinets don't really get too dirty, those are just mostly dusting them. The bottom ones do get pretty dirty pretty often because we do have little hands in this house and they are perfect height for them to just get all of the mess all over them all the time. Let me know if you have little ones, if you find yourself having to wipe down your cabinets regularly, or if they don't seem to bother them. I don't know what they get on their fingers, but I feel like they just get something sticky or something colored on them all the time.
Then I tell ya how I miss ya and write the things that I did wrong. All I ever need is to call you on the phone and I'll be close to you. La 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 la. Walking around the room, I found a picture. It reminded me of us. Should I give it all when you were mine? When you were mine, I fade away without you since you.
Once I was done wiping everything down with my eCloth, I just moved into the dining room and started wiping down my table with the all-purpose spray.
All I ever need is to call you on the phone with a number that connects to you. I don't wanna hear that clicking and a tone. I wanna hear your voice come through. Then I'll tell ya how I miss ya and write the things that I did wrong. All I ever need is to call you on the phone and I'll be close to you. I fade away without you since you've been gone. So
Moving into the living room, it was not too terrible in here at all. If you guys have seen my videos, you know that it's been way worse than this before. But I did have the kids kind of pick up their toys before they went to bed. So I think that's why this room is not in terrible shape right now. So I just needed to pick up a few little stragglers they must have missed, and of course move the throw pillows back where they're supposed to be because they just do not ever stay where I actually put them for very long. The last thing that I needed to take care of was just our floors. So I am just sweeping tonight. You guys know I love using my Dyson. I usually use my Dyson anytime I do my floors, but because it was almost midnight, it might have been midnight at this point, I think I was cleaning for about an hour and 15 minutes tonight. And so because it was so late and everybody was sleeping, I did not want to risk waking anybody up, so I just decided to sweep on this night. And I do want to let you know, if you missed my last cleaning video, it was my whole house clean with me. There's a giveaway in that video for 2 Dyson vacuums, so I will link that up here for you guys if you didn't see it. Make sure you head on over and enter that giveaway because it will be open for a few more weeks. And like I said, there will be 2 chances to win a cordless Dyson vacuum. I am so excited for this and I'm so excited to give back to you guys, so definitely check that one out. And I also have another giveaway going on that I shared in my date night vlog from last week, so I will leave both of those videos linked below for you guys. Make sure you guys go ahead and enter them. They are both still open at this time, so be sure you subscribe and comment on those videos so that you can enter that giveaway.
Hello emotions, hello again. Is every ocean come as rain? I know my circles, I know my name. Another sequel is on the way. Oh, my love, we fall.
To mop my floors tonight, I'm just using my eCloth spray mop. This is something that has become such a staple in my house. I got it several months ago and it has just made mopping so much easier for me. I really don't mind doing it all that much anymore because this mop has made it so convenient. But all you do is just fill up the container with some water, and because eCloth has the technology to go ahead and disinfect with just water in their cloths, I love that it's still cleaning my floors while it's still so convenient. And the pads are also reusable, so you're not having to waste any product.
Hello, my borders, hello again. You're out of order, I'm out of pain. We're closing circles, we got no end. Another sequel about to land. Oh, my love, we fall and rise to be so free. In time, we seize
So I hope you guys enjoyed this After Dark clean with me, and I hope you got all of the cleaning motivation that you are needing today. I also wanted to let you guys know that I'm starting to bring out some This Crazy Life merchandise. You guys have been asking me for quite some time about this, so I will leave the link to those products down below, and please let me know in the comments what kind of merchandise you would like to see from me. We're slowly adding more and more items, so I'd love to see what you guys actually want to see. Be sure to subscribe down below if you are not already, and also head on over to Instagram and follow me over there as well. And I will see you guys in my next one.
I will be fighting to hold the line. We're never high.